Hello everyone, welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the Bluetooth car stereo. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. When it comes to upgrading your car's audio system, finding a stereo that blends aesthetics, functionality, and performance is key. The HipKex 1788 Bluetooth car stereo hits all the right notes with a visually engaging display, seamless connectivity, and an enhanced listening experience. Here's a closer look at what makes this stereo a compelling choice for drivers. Product features: visually appealing display. The HipPK 1788 features a colorful LCD display with vibrant background lights that not only look great but also improve readability. Whether you're driving during the day or at night, the bright and dynamic interface ensures you can see your settings and track information clearly. Hands-free Bluetooth connectivity. Stay connected while keeping your hands on the wheel. The built-in Bluetooth function allows for quick pairing with your smartphone, enabling hands-free calling and audio streaming. This feature enhances driving safety and convenience by eliminating the need for separate Bluetooth devices. Enhanced audio experience. Enjoy immersive sound on the go with the stereo's powerful built-in IC that delivers stereo sound effects. Whether you're into bass-heavy beats or relaxing podcasts, this system provides rich and balanced audio to elevate your driving experience. Pros: user-friendly display. The bright, colorful screen enhances both usability and the interior aesthetics of your car. Bluetooth hands-free feature boosts safety and comfort while driving by, allowing easy mobile connection. Great sound quality. Delivers immersive stereo sound through its built-in IC, making your drives more enjoyable. FAM presets. Easily access up to 18 of your favorite stations with reliable tuning performance. Auto memory settings saves time and hassle by remembering your preferences, even after powering off. Cons: no mention of USB or AUX input. Users looking for multiple input options might find the lack of information on auxiliary or USB support a drawback. Limited info on expandability. There is no clear mention of support for subwoofers or additional speakers, which could be important for audiophiles. Basic interface functionality. While the display is colorful, users seeking touchscreens or smart integration may find it too basic. Final thoughts. The HipKex 1788 Bluetooth car stereo is a fantastic option for drivers who value a visually pleasing interface, solid Bluetooth functionality, and dependable audio performance without breaking the bank. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of premium models, its core features make it a worthy upgrade for everyday users seeking style and function in one package. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Best Product.